Yeah, I can able to hear you.
Yeah, now it's clear. Okay.
Click event
So
is
what
not
happened?
happening.
Click even not
Uh,
happening. Yeah.
no, it is not firing the click event. In the console also, I can't able to read. It is showing me like this. Hello.
Yeah, go to your code. So on click, you are recording that discharge count incrementer. Where you are recording? Okay. So recording count incrementer. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Just select Control A,
Control V.
Control A for all. Yeah,
Yeah.
then Control K, F. K for kite, F for fight. Control K, F.
Yeah.
I'm sending in chat, not it. CPRL plus A first, then CPRL plus K plus F.
Control K.
Yeah, select configure. Yeah, prettier. Below one, below one. Press down arrow and enter.
This one.
Not in your keyboard, click the down arrow. Yeah, enter.
Pretty, prettier.
Okay. Okay, save. Okay, what you are doing on click of plus button, you are going and calling the method. Okay, the method will get called. Why it is not updating?
See the objectives.
No, no, go to your new component. Yeah. You are then binding discharge com.a. Yeah, go scroll up, scroll to the top, scroll up. Okay, write a alert inside the method. Let's check whether method is getting called or not. Hey, okay, where you will write alert? You can write anywhere.
No, no, a lot you have right.
Inside the method, write the alert. Yeah, yeah, save and execute. Yeah, click the plus button. Hmm. Click the
But it
minus
is,
button. Okay, then how you are saying the method not get called?
but increment is not happening.
Hmm. Why? Because syntax error.
Okay.
From where you got the syntax discharge set state equal to object? From where you learn this syntax? Line number 15, you are assigning a object to set state, right?
Yeah.
Set state is a method, okay? It is not a variable. Then how you are assigning the object to set state? So from where you got this syntax?
Mm, I myself is doing so by seeing your code. I have
Senior Gola.
I seeing your code only I'm doing, but I have to check.
Yeah, yeah. Open my code. Open my code. Where it is. Yeah.
Yeah,
In line number 10, I am
just
assigning object.
no, no, no. It's my mistake.
Ah,
Sorry, sir.
okay. Remove the alert.
Yeah, now
Okay. But I given a big task now, not bigger task. I give
that
for count A, B, C.
yeah, one is your did I did another two because this one is not working. No? That's why the two I did not say. So I'll do it tomorrow and I'll show you.
Okay. Way
So
to
this
complete the
console,
task
so
daily.
this sir, why this console is showing like this?
No, no need to download that. Just leave it. Okay. It is from React. The default it will come. Okay, using developer tool. No need to install that. Okay.
Sir, before okay
Yeah.
before
I,
sir, I'm asking one question. This how to make this one responsive?
responsibility.
Means she
Yeah, I will
minimize.
show you one simple work. Okay.
Pardon?
So that is one. Yeah, I will show you one simple work. Okay.
Okay.
Sharing the screen. My screen is,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm sharing the screen. So that is visible.
Yes. Blank screen is coming.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
screen
Now.
is visible, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just saving the screen. Frame HTML file. Create APM. HTML APM. Saving as HTML. Maybe HTML. Save. Okay. And open file location.
Sir, if I'll start with this HTML code, so when you will start teach me this one again? What is the time?
Sorry?
So if I'll start the HTML CSS course, then what is the timing it will be?
It won't go more than 4 days or 5 days. Maximum 4 days or 5 days is enough.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So now I'm going to keep two development. And here I'm giving style height. Height is going to be 100 pixel and which is going to be uh, example 200 pixel. Same for loan also. Also I'm giving some color, background color for different sheet. It is going to be carrot blue and the above one background color is going to be barley. Yeah. From here versus the page. This is for two
Yeah.
development.
Yeah.
So usually development is a block element. It will bind one by one. It will not come in the same line. If it is
Yes.
a div or if it is a section or anything. If you check your design, okay, if
Mm.
you inspect your design, it will be development only like this.
Yeah.
See? like this to development. Okay. So to make this element into same line, we can do multiple approach. Okay. One of the easiest approach is display inline block. Okay. We need to apply display inline block for both elements. Display inline block. Inline block. Okay, it will make elements into same line. But here the issue is like if there is not enough space. Okay, if there is not enough space, it will move the element to next line. Okay, this is what will happen if we apply inline block to both elements. Okay, so instead of applying inline block, we can do another approach. Create a parent. Okay, this is a parent div and keep your design inside this div. And for the parent div, give child display flux. That's it. It will keep your element in same line. It will not let your elements down to next line. Okay. Simply this only one CSS is more than enough. Okay. If these two elements is having enormous of CSS, enormous of style, then you need to override one by one each and everything again and again. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now it is happening. Why? Because see, it is that much simple to keep elements in same line. Okay. When you come to a bootstrap, okay. For example, I am going to a bootstrap or even whatever you are using MUI, right?
Yeah.
MUI that is also a bootstrap. Okay. Here they will make call it as
Great.
grid.
Great.
Grid. Okay. So if you inspect this element, see here also they are doing the same. One development which is having three development as a child. Column, column, column as a child. Three column element as a child and one parent element. For this parent element, what they will give display flux. If you remove the display flux, the element will come in next line. Due to display flux only, it is aligning in same line. This is the same I have done here. Okay, but here again they are applying gutter x 1.5 rem, gutter y 0, flex wrap, margin top, margin right, margin left, and for the columns also they will apply some padding top, border, everything they will apply by default. If you want to here, I don't want the padding top or padding bottom, then again I need to overwrite. Same thing when it comes to MUI also. Come here, get started. And here also you have that common components. Grid, right? Yeah, here it is.
Great container.
Here also there is some example. Yeah, here we have some example. If we inspect it, again the same will be there. Okay. So, so these are the four development. Again, they are applying the flux. If you remove the flux, all the elements will go one by one. Nothing but there is a parent div followed by there is the child div. For all the child, they will apply display flux for the parent. Okay. Not only the display flux, they are applying flux go. Then enormous of class. See, ME exit root, ME exit item, ME exit XS8, again CSS 45UJXE. So the thing is like Simply only one CSS. Display flex is more than enough. Okay, to keep your elements in same line. When you are making use of any of the bootstrap, okay, React Bootstrap, Yummy Bootstrap, or Angular Bootstrap, or Ant Bootstrap, or CSS Bootstrap, they will apply enormous of unnecessary CSS and class names, okay, which will make your work again complicate only. So if you are good with HTML and CSS, it is more than enough to create your own design. It is not mandatory to use the bootstrap every line every time. Got it? For your div also, you don't need to give that much item. Simply we can give this create a parent div element and give display flex. It will make your both elements same line. Okay. Instead of creating container, grid item, grid item, simply create two development, okay, and keep it in a parent, apply display flex for that element. Got it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because today now you are using MEI, okay,
Mm.
and tomorrow they will ask you to use different bootstrap. Again, you need to learn that bootstrap. That will be a bit different. Here they are using like grid container spacing, something like that. If you goes to the normal CSS bootstrap, here the style is different. If you go to the React bootstrap, yeah, here the style is different. Container, row, column. Here
Yeah.
container, float, row, column. So we can't able to learn each and every bootstrap every time. Even if now the MUI you are using a version is maybe version 4 or something, right? If they updated the version, again they will update all the syntax. You need to do all the changes. Okay. But when comes to HTML CSS, it will be standard. It won't be changed. Nothing but whatever you are writing here, those things only already they have existed in already written in those bootstrap or libraries. Okay. So don't complicate your design for creating even simple development. Use the bootstrap if there is anything mandatory. If not, go with your simple HTML CSS design. Okay.
Yeah, but they're asking to do only MUI material CSS.
Yeah, who asked?
Office.
Yeah, in office, your senior asked, manager asked, who asked?
Yeah, manager asked.
Yeah, for them, the design is the thing, right?
Yeah,
If you created the same design using your own HTML and CSS, definitely they won't say, no, no, you should not work like that. Like this, they won't say. Okay, ma. Why?
yeah,
If not, just take some more time. Try to learn this grid system. Okay. After learning that, apply the design. If you are applying just copy pasting from somewhere and putting more and more elements, it will be very hard to debug. You can't able to found. See, according to the design, your elements needs to be worked properly. But now you don't know why it is affecting, from where it is affecting. Okay, you don't
yeah,
know where it is affecting us actually, right? And see, by default there is a space between the element, right?
yeah.
Yeah, then you can give spacing too, na. Because of the
But
spacing only there is a space created here.
but that spacing too did not take here.
Not taking,
Like,
yeah.
no, that
Why what?
design they give.
What? If you apply spacing, what coming? What happening? Have you inspect the element? If you check here, okay, for example, I'm selecting, see, some padding get applied, right? When holding this element, a green color line came, which means the padding is applied. Padding left and padding top is applied. Okay. So if you check here, you can see that. See, padding left 16 pixel applied and padding top 16 pixel applied. So if you give spacing to this, padding will get applied automatically. Okay. Yeah. So you are giving spacing and they are applying padding. So because of that padding only, it is not displaying. For example, I will show you here. For this element, I am applying padding left. Okay. 25 pixel. Can you able to see any difference?
No.
No. But the padding is applied. See, there is a light
Yeah.
green color, right?
Mm.
Right, I will increase the padding.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, see how the padding is applied. Okay, if you apply the padding, what will happen? It will get applied inside the element. So because
Mm.
of the background color, you can't able to see the difference. So in this place, if you want the space, then you need to apply margin. Okay, so instead of padding, if you applied margin, then you can see the difference. See,
Yeah.
this is what you needed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you are giving spacing to, okay, when you are giving spacing to, this bootstrap is applying padding to your element. So because of that padding, you can't able to find the difference. Okay. Instead of padding, you need margin. Then only you can able to see the difference. Okay. Then what else we can do? Keep your design inside that div, which means keep your design inside item. Okay, keep your design inside item in this access equal to forma. In this place, keep your design and check it out. Apply spacing to and keep your design that any development, whatever you are creating,
It's
keep it
already there.
inside this item.
Inside the item, it is there.
Mhm. Okay. Then can you close the screen? Yeah, can you share your screen? And I
Yes.
am giving access to you. Yeah, access giving. Share your screen. Yeah, now it came now.
No, it is came in the full screen. It is coming correct. If you will reduce the screen,
Yeah, that is the screen. You
it
can
is coming.
resize.
So it is coming
Inside
correct.
itself, you can resize. There's a double line is there now. You can drag that. Yeah. Click the maximize of the screen. Click the maximize button. Yeah, now resize that. Ah.
Mm.
Yeah, so where you have keep your design, yeah, go to the inside item or where it is.
This is
What's
the first grid
new? Those
container.
things. Okay, great.
Then inside that one more grid container.
Yeah, Control A, Control KF.
Control K.
First, align your code. I can't able to understand the flow. So Control A, Control K, F. Yeah. Now go to your code. Okay. So
This
there
is
is
the
the
one
grid
that
container.
grid
Okay.
inside the
Inside you
container.
are having grid item. Again you are
Inside,
having grid container.
yeah.
Again you are having grid item. Okay. So why you are giving grid item? Tuck, tuck, tuck. But in that MUI page, it is okay. Grid item. Inside that item, you have a item tag, right? Why not you
Yeah.
can use that element? Inside grid item, there is a item tag. So
Sorry,
use that
this
item
is
tag.
sir, that is for the upper part. This is for the
So what do we provide? Where it is? Go there. What do we provide? Go to your design.
uh, that one. That is for the top part. That
Okay, fine. Yeah, go
first.
to what do we provide?
This is up to.
Yeah,
This one
click
is
on
the top.
Control B and Control J.
Pardon?
Click Control B, Control J. Control B for boy, J for Jackie. First click Control B, yeah, then Control J. Okay. Yeah. So here na typography. Scroll down, scroll down.
Typography.
Yeah, what do
Sir,
we provide, right?
up to this swipeable text.
Line
This is the
number 62. Yeah, line number 62 is the next design, right?
line number 47 is the next
Yeah,
design.
47 grid item. Inside you have grid container. Inside that you have grid item. So inside that open a item tag.
Inside this item is there,
Yeah,
no? This
before
one.
typography, yeah, inside. So go to that MUI page.
MUI page.
Yeah, yeah, just enter. It will come. Yes, come on. Yeah, wait. See here.
This item it
Inside
is
grid
not
item,
taking.
we are having item tag, right?
Yeah, this item it is not taking. I tried.
Right? Yeah, try that item.
This one error.
Yeah, you need to import now. If you are using grid, you have imported grid. If you want to use item, then you need to import item also, na?
Okay. So in typography, inside that one.
For the next one also. Why again you have created grid item? Good.
No, this is only grid item. This grid is complete.
Okay, after item, why you have closed the grid? Okay, that is grid. You are closing grid item. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now apply that spacing too.
And it is showing error.
Yeah, that is path is not available. You are inputting from some path which is
Material
not available. Then input
so
from the correct path. Go to that.
one. This much is there.
Yeah, scroll down. See item from where they are inputting. Search that item. Okay. So they have that item in the above. Is nothing but going to be child. Seems to be some style they are giving. Wait. Don't input everything. Don't make use of all the stuff. Okay, then no need. Don't use item. Okay. Yeah, then remove those items. That is not needed.
Okay.
Ceremony screen. Yeah. So, I brown color. Oh, yeah, okay. So, like this itself, you can make use of.
Pardon?
So this is how your design needs to be, right? So
Yeah.
there's a grid container spacing equal to 1, then grid item xx, then grid item xs something, whatever you want to give. Then here we are going to keep your style. So you have done the same or anything different. If you done like this, then it will come like this. Okay. Have you applied the spacing equal to 1 or 2? Can you, yeah, again you
Spacing
want.
I have not done. Spacing I have not applied.
Spacing is not applied.
No,
You said you have already applied, but not working.
it did not work, so I removed.
Okay, apply that. Let's check.
So this one XLLGSM.
For the parent grid, not for the item, not for the first parent. So,
This is the first one.
uh, no, no, this is the first parent. Where is the second one?
Second one is the one parent inside the one parent one.
So inside one parent you have four child.
Yeah,
Yeah, do one thing. Click on line number 19. Go near the line number 19. Move the cursor near line number 19. 19, not 90.
yeah, here one.
Move your cursor near number 19. Yeah, click that arrow. Huh? Scroll up, scroll up. Okay, you have one container. Inside only one child. Why it is like this? Yeah, open the child.
Then one
Okay,
more
then line number 20, minimize that container.
container.
Then next one, line number 47, minimize that. Uh,
I believe this is the problem.
I can't able to. Can you able to understand what you have done?
Yeah,
See, there is a grid container is there. Inside the grid container, you keeping one grid item. Okay,
inside that
fine, that is
grid.
also fine. But inside item, you have one container, one item.
Yeah,
If you are having two containers means fine, but you are having one as container, another one as item.
that
Okay,
is
so
correct.
while designing, go step by step. Okay, create
Okay,
one by one container, one by one item. Okay, if you follow that properly, then everything will get applied properly.
okay.
Okay, ma?
Yeah,
Yeah. First, there is a container, na? Inside the container, uh, you want to keep one grid item. Okay, that is fine. Inside that grid item, again, why you are trying this kind of thing? That itself I get confused.
shall I
Okay,
remove this one?
so containers. And don't remove anything directly. Do one thing. Create
Mm.
a new file. Okay, create a new file and try to achieve one by one. Then it will be easier. If you remove any lines randomly, then you can't able to keep track. What are the lines you have removed? What are the code you are doing? Okay. So create a new home.js. In that new home.js, go one by one grid. Okay. First create a first grid, then go to the next one. Then create the next grid, then go to the next one. For example, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Now my screen is visible, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. First, there is going to be a grid container and spacing one and grid item. It is going to be a first design. Then you again want below same kind of row. Then simply create same open plus rows. So you want another set of grid. Again, I'm creating another set. See, next one. So this is the XS1 and XS2. So I have created next set. So again, I want this one. Okay, three, three. So next set. Likewise, create one by one. Is what you are doing. So here I'm having one container, okay, and I'm having the next. Totally, I'm having 3 containers. See, this is my output. I'm having 3 containers. So inside each C is one item, this XSC is one item. Inside so I'm having two grid items. Inside each container I'm having two grid items. So keep design like this properly. Then it will be much more easier for your design. Okay?
Okay.
Just if you try to do anything shortly in this file itself, you may get started designing on by your own. Initially, it will take some time, but if you are going, it will be much easier day by day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah, fine. Then shall we go to our class? It is almost 8:50.
Yeah.
So whatever we have covered yesterday,
Yesterday we have covered that class rendering.
yeah. So yesterday I have created. Oh, where is my okay? This one, not even this one. Yeah, the last one. Okay, fine. So here I have binded new component. In this new component, I have done addition and subtraction. Okay. And
Yeah.
today we can see about conditional rendering. That is one of the smallest and easiest. Okay. So today we can learn about conditional rendering. Yeah. Here, next line, I am going to bind a header tag. H1. I it's a H1 tag. Save this and run the application. Yeah, see, I it is a H1 tag. I have created a H1 tag. So now I'm going to conditional render this element. So simply put this element in a interpolation. Okay, and before this interpolation, give false and okay. Now check the element won't be available. See, the H1 tag is not available. Now come here, instead of false, give true, save, then check. See, the element is available. Which means if the condition is true, then it will bind the element. If the condition is false, then it will not bind the element.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us keep a flag inside the state. Okay. We can name it as display flag. A display flag that is initially true. Okay. So here what I need to give
Display flag.
display flag. Whether can you able to access like that directly?
Please start display flag.
This dot display flag. No, where it is available, display flag is available inside.
No, this dot state dot display.
Okay. Yeah. This dot state dot display flag. Now come and check. Yeah, it is available. In state, make it into false and check it out. See, the element is not available. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep a button, toggle button. Okay. So toggle header. If I click this button, it will disappear. If I click this button again, it will appear. Like this, we can do the design. Okay.
Okay.
let on click. Yeah, here toggle method. Okay. Yeah. While clicking this button, we are going to call this dot toggle header. That's it. From here, this dot set state of, okay, and what I'm going to update display flag. Display flag value will be not of this dot state dot display flag. That's it. See here.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
This is how we can achieve conditional rendering. Not even this, you can give anything. For example, you can say 10 greater than 5. If the condition is true, then it will bind the element. Okay. 10 less than 5. If the condition is yeah, so if the condition is false, then the element will not bind. Okay. Just the thing you need to give the condition. If the condition is true, then it will bind the element. If the condition is false, then it will not bind the element. It can be a single element or it can be even a component. Even for this component also you can give. Okay. For this component also you can say true, then it will bind new component. If it is false, okay, then the component will disappear. We can apply for any element, we can apply for any component. This is called conditional rendering.